police or a policy. So Jane works in what? That's fine.
I really want to get out something because I've shown up, so they can wait for a few minutes, okay?
Fair enough.
You guys weren't in a hurry to leave, and nobody's in a hurry to leave until I pulled up, trust me.
Of course.
I know.
Like, come on, man, you're used to that.
I want everybody to understand here, if we encounter this again, we'll just block the entrance, and every person leaving in a vehicle will get a ticket. Does that make sense?
What if you didn't drive here?
Sorry?
What if you didn't drive here? Like, just walk.
Okay, what if you what?
Didn't drive here.
Walk here.
If you're here, you're eligible for a ticket for $230. If you're an organizer,
What's a ticket? What's a ticket for?
Being not social distance or whatever.
for participating in an event that's not authorized, or for organizing it, it's $2,300. Okay? I don't want to hand out 100 tickets, 200 tickets.
That's a lot of tickets.
It is. It's a lot of work for us. But if we have to do it again, we're going to have to do something. Does that make sense? So I'm telling you tonight, when they say these things are allowed again, and they will, they're easing things. There's eased travel a little bit, but they haven't eased social gatherings in that sense.
Yeah,
So,
see these new restrictions, like how they lifted things, we actually all got the idea that it was...
okay. Read it carefully.
Like, things get spread
It's week to week, month to month, okay? So you have to be right on top of it. Up till I think Tuesday, you're allowed to have 10 people, as long as they're outdoors, socially distanced.
Oh my God.
10 people in a backyard. That was it.
Even if they're in groups,
Not indoors.
like, spread out like that, that's...
And then they raised it.
I drove up here, and you've got people standing in groups there, not masked. They've whipped out masks now. Nobody was wearing a mask when I pulled up 10 minutes ago.
And they raised it to 50 for organized, permitted events.
Yes, and we would then know that this is taking place, right?
Because of the way things spread on social media, we hear that, and we think like, oh, we're good, but nobody seems to mention that it has to be organized and permitted, right?
We are 14 months into this. Hopefully, in another couple of months, if people play things right, this sort of thing will become a non-issue once again. We'll be worried about the people spinning out and the usual right?
Yeah.
Driving. Right now, every time you do this, we get calls to us. People are angry. They've got compromised immune systems. They say, what are you guys doing about it? They're all out there in a large group. We've got crime to deal with. We've got break-ins, domestic, impaired drivers. We don't want to be coming down here and harassing people who any other time of the year would not be an issue to us. Do we? Seriously. So if you could just work with us, just delay this thing until it's authorized. We really appreciate it. We really would. We've got enough to do without hassling otherwise law-abiding people for getting together in a parking lot.
Yeah.
All right?
Okay,
You just
so...
spread that. I know you guys are on Facebook together.
Yeah.
I don't want to have to repeat myself 100 times to 100 different people.
So what do you want us to do now?
I'm going to move.
Yeah.
You guys are all welcome to leave. If we see a group like this again, in an environment like this, we may be compelled to park and start handing out a few tickets. And you may be one in 10 people that gets a charge just to send the message. You don't want to be that 1 in 10, trust me.
All right.
Imagine being just somebody that was like going to the grocery store and walking back to your car and you get fucked with a ticket.
Yeah.
That would suck.
There's probably a few people here who are in that boat.
Yeah, no, there is a
now.
couple cars.
So if you can text your friends, message them. Get together in a small group. Until otherwise, mask up. Thank you.
You did.
Thank you, sir.
Mask up, stay 6 feet. You gotta get the fuck out of your face.
Oh, you all right there, bud? You good?
What happened to you, man? How high are you? I mean, what are you good?
Somewhere. Maybe. Yeah. I got that whole speech on video. You'll see.
You put it on Instagram or something?
I'll put it on YouTube.
That's our YouTube video.
Thanks, man. Yeah. Just a quick, from last meet.
Open all your windows.
Huh?
What's he saying?
What is he doing now? Yo, what did he say to you?
My license plate on the front.
Oh.
bounce.
All right, buddy. Take it easy, man.
If they want masks, not that, whatever, wear masks.
Yeah.
I just want the group.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. I'll see you around.
Peace out, bro. This video's gonna be sick. Yeah, Musa.
That's fucking off. I swear to God, I was running over to you. That's how I texted you. I'm like, bro, please.
Yeah, take it easy, bro.
You're getting someone else, I think.
I'm gonna be the last to leave, man. This is too good. Look at this thing. That thing's crazy looking.
That's
What's up,
it, yeah.
bro? Fucking cops, man.
Yeah, this one was a douche. Last time? Remember last time? Were you there? Oh no, yeah, she left. The cop that came last time at the Y.
Oh no, I
That
didn't.
guy was super chill.
Yeah, this guy is a. I got it all on video too.
Yeah.
The whole spiel. Yeah. I know, this is Mad Max type shit. It's sick. Fucking crazy. People still keep pulling in, eh? Yeah. We need like a... No, he's not doing any VIs right now at all. He just told everyone to disperse and that's it, man. If it happens again next time, they'll be given social distancing tickets.
How much is that?
$230. $230, yeah. Oh, really? Peace out, man.
See ya.
Yeah, man. Peace, mate. Later, bud. You want a ding tea?
No, we're going up Colwood teas.
Ding tea.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Ow! I'll see you at Ding Tea, buddy.
Yeah.
Just missed it.
Yeah.
Have a good one, man.
Yeah, you too. What? Oh.
But it was fucking psycho fast. And
Oh no, I might meet you down there. Yeah, no, I don't know. It's probably oh yeah.